Hi, I'm Melissa Herkman, and I'm going to be showing you how I get my favorite beach waves using a classic curling iron on day-old hair. To prep my hair, I'm using a dry shampoo to freshen up my roots. To start curling, I'm using 1-inch sections and curling each piece away from my face. You don't have to be too precise on sectioning your hair because we want this style to be a little bit more lived in. When clamping your hair with the curling iron, stamp your hair with the clamp facing up first, then alternate with it facing down. Then just keep going with that rotation all the way throughout the hair. Then every few sections, I will take the curling iron and clamp my hair as if it's a crimper to create more texture in my hair. To finish off this style, I'm adding dry texture spray to add a little bit more texture and volume to my hair. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this beachy wave tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
And a little pony lash. Lash.
Sorry. Nice little quick trick hack. Hey guys, I'm Rihanna Capri, one of the co-owners of 901 Salon out in LA, and this is my beautiful fiance, Morgan. Morgan is going to be my model today to show you guys how to get the longest ponytail possible without adding in any extra hair. It's super easy, so check it out. All right, so you know when you want to do a nice high pony, you put all your hair and then your pony stops here. But what if you want your pony to be longer and still have a high pony? Well, check it out. Step one, you're gonna take all the hair from like behind the ear up like you would do a regular pony. So you have a nice, good pony on top, okay? And give yourself placement of where you want your high pony to be. Grab your hair tie, secure it in place. Now, you want to add another pony directly behind it and pretty high up. We're going to create 3 different ponies. And then you're going to take that last pony right here. 1, we have 2, and 3. And look at this pony.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Yes.
Power pony, I like
Power
this. This is my new thing.
In the house. Check it out from the back. Do a little shaky. Yes, that looks great. To the side. Yes. So, if for some reason you're afraid of these guys splitting, super simple. All you gotta do is grab some super strong whole hairspray, spray it in, lock it in, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, I want to see your power ponies at home, so be sure to tag me and Morgan so we can check them out. And yeah, this is great. It's a nice little quick trick hack.
Hi, my name is Sharon Choi. I'm a colorist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here to show you 3 summer looks that you can do from your home. The first look I'm going to share with you guys today is a half up, half down look. The first thing I'm going to do is section out a hairline bang. I'm going to leave some of it down, so I'm going to go ahead and find some little pieces to leave out, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up in a half up, half down look with a little hair tie. And I'm just going to grab a few of the frizzier pieces of my hair and just recurl it. I like to use 1 1/4 inch, that way it's kind of a looser wave like my hair tie. It's easiest to just pull the iron away from you when you're doing this. So once you're done curling your hair, go ahead and get your hair tie or whatever you would like to use and go ahead and wrap it around your ponytail. And you can secure it on by tying it or of course just with bobby pins, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put like a little loose knot. You can add any hair accessory you like. I just used a scarf of my choice that matches my shirt. The second look I'm going to share with you guys is a messy ponytail. First, I'm going to pull out some front pieces to separate the bangs, and the pieces are going to frame my face. Once I have the face framing pieces out, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair up into a messy ponytail. I'm going to use an elastic to tie my hair up, and I want it to be pretty tight. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out a section of hair from the top of the ponytail. I want this piece to be smooth, so I'm going to comb it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around my hair. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and tuck that little piece in from the inside and the back. I'm going to go ahead and tilt my head forward and take a look at my ponytail and see what pieces need a little touch up, and I'm going to curl them with an 1 1/4" iron. I recommend curling after your hairstyle is already up. That way you can see which pieces actually need it. I'm just going to finish off my hairstyle with a texture spray and spray it into my ponytail. And this is the final look, a messy high ponytail. The last look I'm going to show you guys is 2 low messy buns. To start, I'm just going to section my hair down the middle. I'm just going to grab and do it by feel, and it doesn't need to be perfect. And then I'm going to take one side, I'm going to twist it and twist it into a low bun. I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it and then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to twist away from my face just like I did on the other side. When you're using bobby pins, open it up all the way and use the side with the ridges to go up against your scalp. And this is the final look. There you have it, 3 easy ways to wear your hair up this summer. Let us know which one's your favorite.